Well, an all-out war seems to have broken out between the Election Commission and Law Minister Salman Khurshid, and taking strong exception to Khurshid's statements at a rally in Uttar Pradesh. The poll panel has written to the President saying Khurshid's defiance is unprecedented, his tone is contemptuous, and the Law Minister has undermined its authority. Khurshid had said the Commission's censure of announcing a 9% Muslim sub-quota will not stop him from continuing to make a public commitment, and the poll panel can hang him for it. Now, in a strongly worded letter, the Election Commission has said it's an unprecedented situation that Khurshid is defiant, not remorseful in any way. The Law Minister has undermined the panel's constitutionally mandated duties, and Khurshid's tone and tenor are contemptuous, and his action would vitiate the atmosphere and prevent a free and fair poll. Now, the President has forwarded the Election Commission's letter to the Prime Minister for appropriate action. And this is the statement made by Law Minister at a rally in Uttar Pradesh that has angered the Election Commission. It came after Khurshid was censured by the poll panel for his announcement of a minority sub-quota.
फांसी अगर देना चाहते हैं तो मुझे फांसी दे दे, इसी नाम पर दे दे कि सलमान खुर्शीद ने पसमानदा लोगों का नाम लिया था। गरीबों की किस्मत को हम बदल के रखेंगे, चुनाव आयोग हो या ना हो, गरीबों की किस्मत को बदल के रखेंगे, क्योंकि आपकी अदालत में आकर मैं अपना मुकदमा पेश करता हूं और आपकी अदालत में आपसे मैं कहता हूं, क्या ये हक है आपका कि मैं कहूं कि गरीबों को उनका हक मिलेगा? है कि नहीं, बताओ।
Meanwhile, senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh has defended the Law Minister, saying if political parties are not free to say anything during elections, then why not ban election manifestos?
मैं बहुत ही विनम्रता से माननीय चुनाव आयोग से अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि अगर चुनाव में राजनीतिक दल अपनी बात नहीं कह पाएंगे तो फिर चुनाव घोषणा पत्र पर भी रोक लगा देना चाहिए। चुनाव घोषणा पत्र में अपना कार्यक्रम देने का अधिकार हर राजनीतिक दल का है, तो फिर इस तरह का किसी भी राजनेता के बारे में कहना उचित नहीं है।
Well, the politics is in fact just hotting up. The BJP demanding the dismissal of the Law Minister. Senior BJP leader Sushma Swaraj has tweeted saying, "We request the President to withdraw her pleasure and dismiss Salman Khurshid as a Union Minister for acting against the law and the Constitution."
ऐसे हालात में अगर प्रधानमंत्री और राष्ट्रपति तत्काल इसमें हस्तक्षेप नहीं करते तो निश्चित तौर से ये माना जाएगा कि जो कुछ भी कानून मंत्री ने कहा है वो कानून मंत्री का विचार नहीं है, बल्कि पूरे के पूरे सरकार का विचार है। इसलिए तत्काल कानून मंत्री को मंत्रिमंडल से हटाया जाए।
Tracking the developments is Alok Pandey. Let's go across to him for more. Well, good morning, Alok. A quiet weekend now politically charged. The BJP, of course, jumping in saying that, Salman Khurshid has to be dismissed as a union minister. Now, obviously, we've heard Digvijay Singh talk and support Salman Khurshid, but the Congress on the whole, what is its stand?
Well, morning Kulsum, you are right. Perhaps the BJP's response was predictable in the sense that we always knew that they would press ahead for his resignation, they would ask for him to be expelled, or any strong stand that could be taken, the BJP would take. What is a little bit more unpredictable is perhaps Digvijay Singh's response to it. A belligerent stand where he defended Mr. Salman Khurshid, but what will be interesting through the day to note will be what the other senior leaders of the Congress have to say about this, including the party spokesperson. So far, it's already been more than 12-13 hours since this letter actually came into public domain, the Election Commission's letter to the President, and yet no Congress spokesperson has reacted yet, even on the phone. So remains to be seen through the day what kind of reactions come in from the Congress's camp. That will be very interesting to track.
Right, Alok Pandey, thanks very much for joining us on that.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.